So, most of y'all motherfuckers was talking about how in snow for Christmas or whatever, but y'all want to know? Y'all got snow. And I bet you this shit finna last till March. And that's fucked up. Yeah, I'm tired as hell walking. Everything. Y'all see that people over there? It's probably think I'm crazy talking to myself. But I'm over here walking in my neighborhood. And it's snowing like a motherfucker. I feel like I'm climbing Mount Everest and shit. And it ain't finna stop snowing. And oh shit, I almost slipped. This is Chicago weather for y'all. Yesterday it was 50 degrees. Bright as sun. Hot as hell. I was wearing only one jacket. And that's it. This is what I'm wearing today. See? Shit crazy. Tight as hell. Got snow all up in my mouth and everything. Well, this is how my alley looks. I'm almost home. Hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's random.